Now this is the concept of the mixed grouping of cells. Mixed grouping of cells means what? We have taken an identical cell having EMF E and internal resistance small r. For all the cells, internal resistance will be same. Okay. So n cells are connected in one row. So there are m rows I have taken. How many rows? There are m rows connected of such combination. Okay, so this is a series combination of the cell, and the series combination of cells are connected in parallel combination in m rows. Okay, and this entire combination is connected to the one external resistance capital R. So the total current I is flowing in capital R. Now we have to see in which condition I is maximum in capital R, as we have done in the previous cases. So m cells in series in one row I have connected. And how many rows are how many rows are there in this combination? M number of rows in parallel of such combination. Capital E EMF of each cell, small r internal resistance of each cell. Now in each row, total EMF is equal to what? What is the total EMF of one row? There are n cells connected. So what is the total EMF of one row? That is n into E. And what is the total internal resistance of one row? R plus up to n times. So total internal resistance n into R. So this is the total EMF of one row, and this is the total EMF of total internal resistance of one row. Now there are m such rows are connected in parallel. So what will be the total internal resistance? I have taken Rp. So 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon Nr plus 1 upon Nr up to m times. 1 by Nr, 1 by Nr, 1 by Nr, m times. So 1 upon Rp is equal to what? M upon Nr. So Rp is equal to Nr upon m. But now this is the total internal resistance of this combination, and it is connected to the external resistance. So what is the total resistance of circuit? R plus Nr upon m. Okay, so this is the total resistance, and total EMF you have got NE. Since this is the EMF of each row and all the rows are connected in parallel, so the total EMF between the point A and B will be same as NE of the total EMF of circuit. Now we are going to find out the expression of I. Current in R, that will be equal to total EMF upon total resistance. Substitute the value, total EMF N into E divided by R plus NR upon M, and this M will go up, and the expression will be like this: MNE upon MR plus NR by taking the LCM. Now I will be maximum by observing this expression. This will be maximum when this will be minimum. So MR plus NR will be minimum, then I will be maximum. So for this condition, we are going to take one manipulation. What kind of manipulation? Under root of MR square plus under root of NR square. So under root of MR square मतलब MR, और under root of NR square मतलब NR. And here I have taken minus 2 under root of MNRR and plus 2 MNRR. इतना ऐड किया तो इतने सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, और इसका स्क्वायर और इसका स्क्वायर. तो अगर इसको पूरा सॉल्व करोगे तो यही एक्सप्रेशन आएगा. Okay, because this and this will be cancelled out, and this will be MR and this will be NR. But I have written this expression in this manner, and it will be equal to minimum. In which condition it will be minimum? That we are going to find out. See, this will be A square plus B square minus 2AB. Okay, so this expression can be written as under root of MR minus under root of NR whole square plus this 2 MNRR is equal to minimum. It will be so if under root of MR minus under root of NR is equal to 0. अगर ये एक्सप्रेशन हमारा 0 हो जाए तो ये मिनिमम हो जाएगा. ओके, तो इफ आई एम टेकिंग अंडर रूट ऑफ mr माइनस nr इज इक्वल टू 0, so under root of mr is equal to under root of nr will be equal to mr plus nr equal to nr. Now from here we have got capital R is equal to nr upon m, the same value of the total internal resistance of circuit. So when value of external resistance will be equal to the total internal resistance of all the cells connected in m rows. External resistance is equal to total internal resistance of all the cells connected in m rows. So when this will happen, then you will be getting I will be maximum, because you have taken this condition will be minimum when this is equal to this, and from here we have got value of R. So R you are getting by considering this condition. So that is why we can say when mr plus nr will be minimum, then I will be maximum, and this will happen when capital R is equal to total internal resistance of all the cells connected in m rows. So this is all about the grouping of cells.